Hello everyone, my name is Van H. Williamson Sr. I live here in Murfreesboro, Illinois, and I've been suffering with lower back pain for, let's just say, roughly 35 years, and I'm over 50. So that's been more than the majority of my life. I've lived in Milwaukee and Madison, Wisconsin. I've seen chiropractors concerning this issue. Let me just back up a little bit. When I first initially got this back pain, I was approximately somewhere between 21 and 23 years of age, living in the state of Georgia, working, young, doing me. Moved the wrong way, felt a little clench, pop. Back been messed up ever since. When I seen the chiropractor, did the little thing on the table, the roll, the pop, the adjustments and everything, that worked out well for quite a while. For a moment, going back to seeing him every other day. But then when you stop going to see him, then here we got the pain again. And then we go see our primary physicians, and then here we are with the opiates. So I did that as well. So, that's a reliever for a moment. But then once it calms down, then you got excruciating back pain. And now here's the increase in opiates. And we all know what that leads to. We don't want to do that. But anyway, long story short, I've seen chiropractors in several different states because of my back pain. There have been times that I have not been able to walk, get up, move around for a month no more than just to crawl to go to the bathroom because my pain has been so excruciating. I've used canes, walker, just to have some mobility, which is no good. We all know that. Now, here where I am in Synergy. I was on Facebook. Family, friends, doing what I do. I see this illustration, of someone, doing a stretch, like a back pain exercise. And so that catches my eye. And then I see lower back pain relief. Intrigues me. I read further. It says, no medications, no RXs, just come to the workshop. I said, well, I've tried everything else. I've seen chiropractors, I've did opiates, I've did back stretches and worked out and everything doesn't seem to work. I said, it's not going to kill me, hurt me to go at least see what's going on with this right here. So here I am at Synergy. This is just my second visit. Listen to me, people. This is just my second visit. I will get up and cut a rug, but ain't nobody playing no good music right now. So I'm going to hold off on that. But I'm going to tell you, I feel better than what I have in quite some time without any medication. I don't have to go to Walgreens and wait on the script. For real. Hold on a minute. I ain't going to show out too much. But listen, I get up and move this chair. I know I'm a little heavy, a little fat and everything, but that's okay. But I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I mean, I ain't where I need to be, but I can move. I couldn't do this here. I couldn't do none of this here. I can move. I couldn't bend over. I can touch my toes. See what I'm talking about? I get it in. And I appreciate this. And it's just my second visit. 2 people. Synergy, come see these people. It will help you.
Thank you.
That's real talk.
Thank you, Van.
You're more than welcome.